Hello from Bush Technical Support. In this video, we will show you how to do cleaning and maintenance on your Bush Upright Bagless vacuum cleaner. Cleaning your vacuum is vital to ensuring that it works efficiently and to its full potential. When the dust has reached the max line on the dust container, press the release button on the top of the vacuum unit. Then, hold the dust container over a bin and push the latch downwards. The dust will then fall out. Once the dust container is empty, close the cover until the click sound from the latch is heard. It is recommended that you clean the filter every 3 to 6 months to ensure it works efficiently. Pull the clip on the dust container lid outwards to remove the lid. Hold the handle on the filter and rotate it anti-clockwise and pull it away from the dust container. Tap the filter over a bin to remove the dust. When the dust canister is empty, align the protruding blocks on the filter with the recesses on the dust canister unit. Then, push the filter firmly into place and twist clockwise until it locks into place. Attach the lid back on the dust canister, ensuring it clicks back into place. Your vacuum is now ready to be used. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.